Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 60 Windsor Gardens, a detached family home here in Hampton in Herne Bay, offering 3 good-sized bedrooms with the ensuite, the principal room, modern family bathroom, modern kitchen dining space, driveway providing plenty of off-road parking and that detached garage as well, and the property has been conveniently modernised throughout to offer the perfect opportunity to move straight in and enjoy straight away. Coming straight through in from the hallway, we've got that really convenient downstairs cloakroom, and on the right hand side of course we've got the main kitchen space here with a range of fitted appliances as well as space for further white goods and plenty of space there for the dining table at the front. Nice little glimpse out into the rear garden from there, as well as the side access through onto the driveway and garage area. Onto the other side we've got the main lounge space here, really nice open space to enjoy with the sliding doors leading you out into the rear garden and a focal point there in the fireplace on the right hand side. Lots of light here with the dual aspect space leading from front to back. The garden itself offers a really nice open space to enjoy with a beautiful sunny aspect and further access into the garage on the right hand side there, and plenty of grassed areas with the patio space there as well. We'll reconvene upstairs to go through a couple of the key points and to take a look at the bedrooms and main family bathroom. So here we are upstairs, and we're going straight through into the main family bathroom there. We can see you've got the loo, sink and bath unit with shower attachment on the right. Really nice modern and contemporary design there with a little bit of character as well. Bedroom number 3 here, currently used as the dressing room, but a good single size bedroom there with the view out into the rear garden. And we've got 2 further bedrooms to take a look at from here as well. Bedroom number 2 here, just off from bedroom number 3, good size double room to the front, lovely amounts of light coming through from the window there as well, and plenty of space for the double bed and further storage with the chest of drawers and wardrobes. Heading through to the front here, we've got the principal bedroom with the ensuite, and this is going to give us a good chance to run through a couple of the property's key points. So this is number 60 Windsor Gardens here in Hampton in Herne Bay, a detached family home offering 3 good-sized bedrooms with the ensuite to the principal bedroom, modern family bathroom, modern kitchen dining space, plenty of driveway space there as well for off-road parking, and of course you are within walking distance to the seafront here, a short walk away, and of course the local primary school here in Hampton. I really hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.